Join me as I take on the challenge of trying out 16 cleaning hacks to see if they really make housework a breeze. Believe it or not, cleaning your home is an art form. Without the right know-how, your cleaning efforts could be in vain, creating more work for yourself in the long run. I have gathered a list of housework hacks from expert housekeeping professionals to help you master the art of cleaning. Watch this video to discover savvy tricks to get your home shipshape in no time. Declutter regularly. Don't waste time organizing and cleaning things you don't need. Before starting your housework, fill a charity bag with accumulated clutter. Professional organizers recommend doing a sweep of each room with new eyes. Make it your mission to fill at least one bag, and you'll find cleaning much easier. Open the curtains to clean. Clean in good daylight by opening all the drapes, blinds and shades, or turning on all the lights. Aim to finish cleaning by 3 p.m, as fading light in the afternoon can make it harder to spot dirt and grime. Clean clockwise. Tidying a messy room can feel overwhelming. Always start in one corner and work your way around the room in a clockwise direction. This keeps you focused and on track, allowing you to transform your home in just 30 minutes a day. Repel dust with dryer sheets. Dryer sheets do more than prevent static in the tumble dryer. Used dryer sheets are great for wiping down skirting boards, as they repel dust in the future. They're also perfect for blinds. Simply wipe the slats weekly to keep them dust-free. Pick up pet hair with a lint roller. Lint rollers aren't just for clothes. They're also fantastic for removing pet hair and unwanted fibers from upholstery. Keep a lint roller in your cleaning caddy for quick touch-ups on sofas, chairs, cushions, bed linen, and lampshades. Wash throws regularly. Throws may look cozy, but they can harbor a lot of grime. The average person sweats up to 500 milliliters and sheds 320,000 dead skin cells each night. Add in saliva, body oils, and makeup, and that throw might not be as clean as it looks. Pop it in the wash once a week, along with cushion covers, to keep things fresh. Wash pillows regularly. Your pillowcase can accumulate 39 times more bacteria than a pet bowl, according to one study. Unwashed pillows can spread infections, so wash them every 3 months to eliminate bacteria, remove stains, and neutralize odors. Add 200 meters length of white vinegar to the cycle for a natural disinfectant. If washing is too much of a chore, hang your pillows out to air and brighten in the sun at the start of each season. Clean your cabinet fronts. Kitchen cupboard doors quickly pick up grease and spills from cooking. Wipe them down with a cloth soaked in warm soapy water and a capful of vinegar. Be careful not to overwet wooden surfaces. Rinse with a clean cloth and buff dry. Go deep into rugs. Rugs need a deeper clean at least twice a year. Check the care label and follow the guidelines for specific materials. For example, nylon rugs can be steam cleaned, wool rugs need a gentler approach, and polyester rugs are often machine washable. Remember not to get your rug too wet and to blot gently to remove excess moisture. Disinfect daily. High traffic areas, like light switches and door handles, can harbor over 6,000 bacteria per square inch. Your sink might also house over 2,700 bacteria per square inch. Give these areas a quick once-over with your favorite disinfectant every day to keep germs at bay. Take in a different view. For a professional finish in the bathroom, take a seat on the toilet and inspect all areas in view. You may spot dusty corners or overlooked spots that need attention. Then, stand up, turn around, and face the toilet to do the same. This ensures your bathroom sparkles from top to bottom. Refresh the mattress. We all wash our bedding regularly, but what about the mattress underneath? Remove the sheets and start by vacuuming the mattress with a clean vacuum head. Then, spray it with disinfectant and let it air out for a couple of hours. Make stainless steel shine. Keep stainless steel appliances shimmering by using a specialist cleaner with a microfiber cloth. Always wipe against the grain to achieve the highest shine. Let steam do the hard work. Steam cleaners heat water past the boiling point and push the vapor through nozzles to loosen dirt and vaporize bacteria. They're a natural and thorough cleaning tool that doesn't require harsh chemicals. Steam cleaners can be used on almost every surface, but avoid painted walls and materials that aren't sealed. Keep a clean fridge. Prevent bad smells in your kitchen by regularly cleaning your refrigerator. Start by removing all the drawers and washing them in warm, soapy water. Wipe down the interior of the fridge, including the seals, and dry thoroughly with a clean tea towel. Don't spray directly onto surfaces. Spraying cleaning solution directly onto countertops, glass, or furniture can lead to streaks and stubborn stains. Instead, spray the product onto a cloth and then wipe the surface. This method ensures a cleaner, streak-free finish. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos with cleaning hacks and tips, and watch another related video on home organization.